getting ready to go down to Florida, just about to Florida. Got to haul some cattle down there and fixing to go head to the farm that we loading them. These are all registered beef masters, and we take them down to South Georgia.
No thanks.
Yeah, it's attached to the ground over there.
Oh, what is that?
A cherry.
A cherry?
Yeah.
Somebody threw their cherry out here from their cherry cheesecake. Sissy?
I don't want a cherry.
Here she goes. Take your time. No rush. No rush.
5 years later.
It always takes her a little while to exit. I'm just gonna squeeze behind you here, Miss Turkey. Oh, she's gonna go back in too. Oh, we got some blue ones. Miss Turkey, you got a lot to say today. Let's put that back in their pen. Do you see Ernest T anywhere?
No, not yet. I'm looking for him, but I can't find him.
Pretty muddy in there. It'd be hard to see him right now.
Yeah, look, how is that chicken standing on that water?
Oh, her feet are sinking down in a little bit.
Okay.
I saw some bubbles over there. I bet that's him.
Let's go and see.
We can't see him. It's too muddy still from all that rain we got the other day. It's another one of those days it feels like spring out here. You skipping stones?
Yeah.
Oh, 3 at a time, huh?
Yeah.
Sissy's up there sweeping off the chicken porch. They have a wraparound porch. We've been losing lots of limbs here lately. What in the world? It's been really windy. So we finished schoolwork a little while ago. Winter break starts today. Kids have off tomorrow and Monday, so we have a 4-day weekend. Would have been nice today to go on a little hike. It's warm enough for it right now. There's a bunch of teeny tiny ones. I'm not gonna worry about those. Just got up the big ones real quick. We still have the remains of the leaf pile from back in the fall. Garden days are coming. In the next few weeks, I'll come out here and really clean up around the edges of the garden bed area here. We are gonna make it bigger this time. Try to plant the things that did good last year and skip the ones that didn't do good. The ones that did good were tomatoes and peppers. We can grow some tomatoes and peppers and zucchini. Zucchini did pretty good. Oh, and okra. And we were getting green beans pretty good there for a little while, but they didn't last too long. And then, you know, we planted some fall things, pickle bush cucumbers and carrots and beets, some bush beans, but then we had that cold snap sooner than we normally do and nothing made it, nothing survived. The carrots and beets would have survived. Miss Turkey took care of those.
All right, everybody, I went in Buc-ee's. Too many people in there. Lord have mercy. I stopped here to get me something to eat. Let's see about this, it's called a Texas
burrito or taco. Looks like that's gonna be pretty good. That's real good. I got some guacamole and a little pack of sauce. Very good. I also got some of these, looks like stuff Alan makes during the holidays, but they got good food. They got a lot of people in there, I'll tell you what. I told the lady at the counter, Bucky must have been a cowboy. There's a lot of cowboy stuff in there. Pictures and cowboy hats. Got a lot of horse stuff. Pretty interesting store. It's just that there's a lot of people. Let's get back to the mountains. These right here are delicious. I mean, them things are good. I gotta say, Bucky's has got some good stuff. It ain't good stuff cheap, but it's good stuff.
Okay, we're back inside. It's time to cook supper. Tonight, I'm making something that I don't think I've ever made before. If I have, it's been a very long time ago, and I don't remember, but it's nacho pie. It does seem familiar to me. I don't know if maybe I made it like years and years ago when Jacob and Tyler were little, or if maybe it was a recipe I thought about making one time but never did. I'm not sure, but it's happening tonight. So, first we're gonna cook some ground beef with an onion. I'm looking to see if I have any tomato sauce. Are you tomato sauce? Yes, you are. I've got it. If I didn't, I was gonna use tomato paste to do what I needed to do, but we've got some. Let me get the ground beef and we'll chop our onion. I have misplaced a cutting board somewhere, y'all. I don't know how I did that. I mean, I've looked all over the place for it. It was my favorite one right now. I don't know what I did with it. I've got just about 2 pounds of ground beef there. But yeah, I just have no idea where that cutting board ran off to. I'm just gonna use this cutting mat anyway, but I think the kids will really love this one because we're using Doritos for this. Now the original recipe just uses a pie plate, but I'm doubling the recipe. And I almost made it in 2 pie plates, but I just decided we'll put it in a 9x13 so I don't have to wash 2 things. Titus called a little while ago and said that he was maybe gonna stop at Bucky's, and I was like, what? If I had known there was gonna be a Bucky's, we would have taken winter break one day early and rode down there with him just so we could go to Bucky's. Then I thought about that's a very long ride, and I decided we probably wouldn't have gone anyway, but still, Bucky's is fun. They had really cute stuff during Christmas time. I watched a couple of videos of people going there. Okay, so we're just gonna cook this until the ground beef is done, then we'll drain it. And the recipe called for chili beans. Tyler stopped by the store for me earlier and I didn't have any chili beans here, so I asked him to see if he could find some. And I told him if he couldn't, that was fine, just get pinto beans, and he couldn't find any. So he got me a can of pintos, so what we're gonna do is just add the pinto beans in here, and then we'll put some seasonings, like some little bit of chili powder, some cumin, salt, pepper. We'll just put it all together with the ground beef. This won't take long once we get it in the oven. It just has to go in there for about 8 minutes or so just to melt the cheese on top. We'll shred some lettuce and tomato, and we'll have that with some sour cream to serve on top of it. And we're using Doritos. Did I already say that? We're using the nacho cheese Doritos. This is my cup. Got it for Valentine's Day. I got it for myself for Valentine's Day. Titus gave me some flowers and chocolate, but I ordered this cup on the Walmart delivery order. I was like, it was only $3 and something, like right at $4. Pioneer Woman one. Little tea in there with some lemon juice. Okay, we got the ground beef drained. We added the beans. I did drain the beans, not completely, but I did drain them a little bit. There was a lot of liquid in that can. Now we'll put the tomato sauce. We're gonna go with 1 more can. I can't remember if the original recipe called for a whole can or not, but since I'm doubling it, we need more. We'll go with 2 cans. Now we'll put our seasonings, just some salt and pepper, and let's see. I'm gonna go with a tablespoon of chili powder. You could also just use a couple of taco seasoning packs if you have some of those. We'll do a couple of teaspoons of ground cumin, a little garlic powder, maybe a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of paprika and just a few red pepper flakes. And then for this amount, I think I'm gonna go with a tablespoon of sugar. Like I said, if you can find chili beans, you don't have to add any of that because the chili beans already have that chili powder mixture and all that in there with them. Now we'll give it a quick taste test and see if we need anything else. That's just right. So I'm just gonna let this warm up. I'm gonna go ahead and spray a 9x13 casserole dish and we'll put our layer of Doritos. We're just gonna crush them just a little bit. So is this kind of like the Dorito, I can't remember if it's called Dorito, I think it's called Dorito casserole that I've seen some people make. It might be kind of like that. So the meat mixture goes right on top of the Doritos. Now we just top it with some shredded mozzarella and it goes in the oven just long enough to melt the cheese. While it's melting, we'll chop up our lettuce and tomatoes. I found it. So y'all remember yesterday when we made the cherry cheesecake cups? This was what I put them on and took them to the other refrigerator. So that's where it was. How quickly we forget. I mean, I completely forgot about that and I searched this entire kitchen. Is it Monday? I searched this entire kitchen for this and it was in the laundry room in that other refrigerator. Glad I found you, old friend. Now I'm looking for the lettuce. Thankfully it wasn't hiding from me. I'm already hearing reviews in the background, y'all. The kids are loving it. It does taste good. When I did the taste test earlier, I knew this was gonna be good. How can you go wrong with Doritos? Now, they do, of course, get a little soft, but it's just like, you know, any taco salad or anything like that, so it's still good.